Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a border in Canva with a step-by-step guide that's simple, fast, and perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to give their design a polished touch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add professional-looking borders to any Canva project in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open one you're already working on. Once your design is open, head over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top, type in Borders. You'll see a Borders option appear in the suggested results. Go ahead and click that. Canva will now show you a wide variety of border styles, from simple lines to decorative frames. Take a moment to browse through and pick the one that best fits. It's totally good. A sigh. I swear you will have some smoothie hanging signs. When you find a border you like, just click on it, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles or reposition it anywhere on your design. A quick tip, hold the Shift key while resizing to keep the border's proportions perfect. Want to customize it further? Look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here, you can adjust the border's color, thickness, transparency, and more. This allows you to match the border perfectly with your design theme, whether it's minimal, bold, or decorative. You can even layer multiple borders or combine them with other elements like shapes or text frames to create a unique look that really stands out. And that's it! You've successfully added and customized a border in Canva. Adding borders is one of the easiest ways to highlight your content, frame images, or make text stand out. And with Canva's ready-to-use options, it only takes seconds. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out on your next design project and see how much of a difference a simple border can make. Also, experiment with Canva's premium and free border packs to discover styles you might not have tried before. They can really elevate your designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a design tip or Canva trick.